My name is Aza, and I'm a personality development instructor. We're actually a family of thin people. Payat kami, hindi kami tabain. But, for example, ako, 4 times a year, I would be at the hospital. And it would be because of severe migraine. As in, yun talagang gusto mo iuntog yung ulo mo sa pader sa sakit. And tonsillitis or high fever. And all of those things I knew could be fixed if I could fix my diet, if I could fix my food intake. So that's what Baron Method did for me. I mean, after fixing what I ate, I'm happy to say I haven't really been to the hospital to be confined except when I gave birth. There have been no hospital visits at all. The concern was, of course, for me, after giving birth, was to get back to my old size. I decided to breastfeed. That was one of my things that I didn't want to compromise. And when you're breastfeeding kasi, you're not allowed to diet like the usual diet. That's one of the things that I appreciate about Baron Method. I was able to successfully breastfeed my child. I'm actually still breastfeeding. And at the same time, I was able to go on the program, and after 4 months, I was back to my pre-pregnancy weight. I highly encourage everyone to give Baron Method a try. If you're sick and tired of all these diet fads out there that tell you to stop eating this, stop eating that, don't eat this, don't eat that, or eat this little so that you can become fit and healthy, that's not the right way to go. The right way to go is to eat more so that you can live great, and you can achieve that with Baron Method.